Hi 1A, welcome to our spelling workout, lesson 27. We're going to be doing blends with the letter L. I'm going to read this to you and you can follow the instructions with me. So here we go. This story in this little section is actually about the American flag and about the American national anthem. So we're just going to go into the minds that we are visiting America, and this is what we're going to be reading, okay? So we have, do you know who Betsy Ross is? Betsy Ross sewed the first United States flag in 1776. The flag has changed a little bit since then, but its colors are still red, white, and blue. Look outside. Your school probably has a flag to fly on the flagpole. So we would have the Canadian flag. The Star-Spangled Banner is a song about the American flag. Play the song. Listen to the words. It tells about how proud they are of their flag and how it makes people feel. So the spelling tip says the letter L can form a blend when it follows another letter. What L blend sounds do you hear at the beginning of the words flag and blue? So I want you to think about that, okay? This page we're going to be doing some of our work. So we have our list words on the side. So we have the words glad, flag, play, black, clock, clay, fly, and blue. So you need to write the list words under their blending sounds. So you can look at the top. So the first one says a CL. So I want you to look for all the words that have a CL blending sound. You're going to do the same for FL, BL, GL, and PL. All the words are only going to be used once, so use them carefully. On this page, you're going to write the list word that matches each clue. So I'm going to read the clues for you, and you have to put the list word that's on page 110 on here. So we have number 1, birds do this. What do birds do? Number 2, use this to tell time. Number 3, the sky is this color. Number 4, cool is this color. Number 5, you have fun doing this. Number 6, ours is red, white, and blue. So when it says ours is red, white, and blue, I want you to think America, okay? America's what is red, white, and blue? We read it a bit earlier. Number 7, this means happy. And number 8, you can mold this. Now at the bottom we have ABC order. So we have to write these list words in ABC order. So what I want you to do is start thinking about your alphabet, all right? So we're going to go through the alphabet and you have to fill in the words. Remember, you're only looking at the very first letter of those words. So the first letter in fly is an F. The first letter in flag is an F. The first letter in blue is a B. And the first letter in clock is a C. So what would come first if we go through our alphabet? So we can do it together. You can join me. So we have A, B. Do we have a B word? I think so. And you're going to keep doing it for the rest of them. All right? Now, when it comes to fly and flag, they both start with an F. So we're going to do what we've done before. Let's look at the second letter. The second letter, they're both L's. Uh-oh, we still can't do it. Now let's look at the third letter. Fly has a Y and flag has an A. But what one comes first in the alphabet? Is it a Y or is it an A? You have to figure that one out. Lastly, we're going to do some proofreading. So what I need you to do is, it shows up here, it says proofreading marks. So you're going to circle for a spelling mistake and you have to add a period to your sentences if they're missing any. So each sentence has 2 mistakes. So you're looking for 2 in each question, which means we have 2 in the first question, 2 in the second question, and 2 in the third question. So you have to look for them, please. All right? It says use the proofreading marks to fix it. That's what's in the gray at the top corner. Write the misspelled list words correctly on the lines. So if you look at question number 1, it says a flag flies above my school. What 2 mistakes are there? So you need to write down the 2 mistakes. Number 2 says its colors are red, white, and blue. Is there any spelling mistakes there? Is there any periods missing? You need to figure that out. And question number 3 says, it makes me glad to see it fly in the wind. So you need to see if there's any mistakes there. Remember, in this entire section, you should have 6 mistakes. So make sure you count 6 mistakes. And the very bottom, the last thing that we need to accomplish for this work is our writing a description. So it says different countries and groups have their own flags. Think about what a flag for your school might look like. Write sentences to describe it. So our flag is not the American flag. We don't have red, blue, and white. What might we have that flies at our school? I want you to think about that. And if you're unsure, what national anthem do we sing in the morning? I want you to think about that. All right? Best of luck. Have fun.